Now, over the years, I've used a lot of Überleben products, and these things do not disappoint. Like, for instance, I used the ferro rod. This is the 6-inch Hexa Strike or Hexafire ferro rod, and this thing I have used countless times. I have demonstrated it in my book, Primitive Camping and Bushcraft. The link is in my bio. Now, I've also done the stoves, and I've done the Kessel stainless steel pots. Now, let me show you what I have done this time. I've ordered a new 6-inch Hexa fire starter. This thing is a ferro rod, and I've done a previous video on that. Check it out. I've went ahead and I've got the new Stoker stove. This dude is amazing if you're backpacking or camping for a long time. Now, if you're backpacking and you like the ultralight stuff, this is probably not for you because this thing weighs a pretty good bit, but it is very, very handy whenever you get out into the woods, especially when you're going to places where you don't want to bring propane or something like that and you want to start a fire, or you're doing something and you're in a fire ban. This is considered a stove. It contains your fire, so you're pretty good to go. But we're going to do another review on that. And now I got the Überleben titanium pot, and this dude right here is super lightweight. Like, it is 1/3 of the stainless steel. I mean, it's crazy how lightweight this thing is. Everything comes in a wax canvas bag, and this dude is easy to put together. Now I'm gonna be doing another video on this, how to use this thing, and it's easy. It's easy to put together. You just flip this dude around, put the included screw right there on here, screw it together, and look, you got your pot. And this thing is easy to cook with. It's easy to hang up over your fire. It's easy to put onto your little stove, your flat pack Stoker stove, if you want to use it on that. And I mean, this thing is amazing to do. And I will use this thing countless times camping out throughout the winter, throughout the spring. You know, I'm going to use this a lot. Get ready for a lot of videos with this pot. Now, I'm going to do a video comparing the two pots together. I'm going to do a video on how to put together and use the Stoker backpacking stove. And I'm going to show you tons and tons of videos on how to use the ferro rod. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. God bless you.